Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to show you a very good thing which is happening right now in the Sargodha. In Sargodha, we don't have parks, and the good news today is that I have discovered a park right on the University Road. This is the main University Road of Sargodha. So I am standing in front of the University of Sargodha. There you can see here, there we have the gate number 1 of the University of Sargodha, and this is the University Road. Here, that plaza which you can see, that is the Rahman Trade Center, and in front of that we have St. Filian Church, and opposite to that we have a very special thing. You might have noticed this thing. You see, what is this? This is a park, and which is being developed by the PHA. Let me show you. Yeah, here we go. You see, this is Pakistan and Horticulture Authority, PHA. They are developing a park here. So, living in Sargodha, the one bad thing about Sargodha was that we don't have any kind of park where I can bring my children and they can have a walk or a run. So now the Sargodha Botanical Garden, Miyawaki Forest, Parks and Horticulture Authority, PHA. So you can see they have started making this park right on the University Road. It's a very good thing in Sargodha. A good decision by the authorities. Let me show you around. Still they are developing it. So you can see they are developing. Here is my son, Basil Mazhar. So I always thought that there is no place in Sargodha where I can take my son and he can have a independent walk. So now I have found this thanks to the, you see here we have hundreds of year old trees, and they have made these walking tracks. They are still developing it, and you can see they have put here new benches, and the families can come here and they can have a walk. I saw it yesterday and I thought that it will be a good thing if I show all the people who are living in Sargodha or who come to visit Sargodha. And normally what happens, we don't have any place where the children and the women can go and walk daily. And this is a very good place. You can see we have all trees around, and I think they are still developing it, and it will take, I think, maybe 1 month or 2 months, and then it will be totally developed. So you can see how beautiful this is. It's total serene environment. It's very calm here. You can hear the birds, and for my son it's a good place. He is having a walk. And the benches, the beautiful benches, they have made benches everywhere. You see, a good place for especially for children. You see how beautiful work they are doing. Yeah, they have made the wooden huts. They are making the lawns. Look at the flowers, how beautiful this place is. They are still developing it. You see, the PHA workers, they are working, and in the environment of Sargodha, where we don't have any parks, it's a very good place. Basil, you can run. See, my son also liked this place. We first time visited this place yesterday, and now I have found this place, so we can come here every day and we can have a walk here. Especially my son can have a walk here. Otherwise, when you see people who are walking in Sargodha, they normally walk by the side of the roads. So I don't think that it's a good idea to have a walk on the side of the road, because it's already have a lot of pollution. Buses see flowers. You see, PHA is developing this place. It's a good place to come with your children and have a walk here. I can say that this place is good, and the tracks are still muddy. Maybe they put some pavement on them, and then it will be very good. Okay, so you can see it's like the Central Park of Sargodha. In the middle of the hustle bustle of the traffic, you find this Central Park. You see, it's a good place. See, my son likes this place. You can bring your children here. It's a good place for the people of Sargodha. Normally it was very difficult to find a place where you can take your children and they can have a walk and they can run freely. I wish that Basil, come here. Basil, come here. Basil, let me show this place, and then we'll go that way. Come for a minute. Okay, wait there. Wait. You see, this is what I was talking about. You see, on the University Road, that's the Rahman Trade Center, and here we have that St. Filian Church. This is Church of Pakistan, and opposite to the Church of Pakistan on the University Road, we have this garden. Okay, so you can see this place is beautiful place, very calm, and the air quality is good here. You see, we have very old trees here, and one thing should be done here, that a little security should be provided here, because if the people are bringing their children here, so some kind of security should be here. I think the security will be around here, but I don't notice anybody. Only I see the PHA workers, but especially I think the security should also be provided, so we feel very safe when we bring our children here. Central Park of Sargodha. I just discovered this place yesterday, and I love this place. I will like all the people who like to have a walk, come here and support this park. And if the authorities they want some, I think they need some support, the people of Sargodha can support it to bring more security and more the quality to this park. We can also support it. So this is one good thing which I have seen yesterday. On Sunday I saw this place, and now I thought that I should make a small video on it, and I should share it with all the friends, so everybody knows in Sargodha that this is here. So you see these PHA people working. Yeah. Go. Basil, go. You see, My son likes to walk around here. He loves this place. Today when I told him that we are going to the garden, he was very excited. So your children will be also very excited if you visit this place. There is no ticket, no money involved. PHA. Yeah. Go. See, Basil is enjoying himself. Yeah. So he wants to see that what we are filming. So they are still developing this place. I hope it will go. It will become better and better. So you can see here, my son. Yes. This place is still they are still making it. They're developing it. You can see that. So I hope that in 1 or 2 months it will become very good. And we have these walking tracks in it. And it will be very good. Okay, so let's get out of this sand. Okay. A very good addition in Sargodha. We have this park, and I think that video has been enough. So kindly come and visit this park. Bring your children. Your children will love this place. So this is a new thing which is happening right now in Sargodha. So come and visit this park. This is on the University Road, opposite to the St. Filian Church, University of Sargodha, gate number 1. Okay, so have a good day. Visit this place. Thank you very much.